Welcome to Patrick Cadillac. Thank you for watching our video today. I'm standing between two brand new Cadillac XTS-L models. Both these automobiles are custom made by Lehman Peterson. They joined forces with Cadillac to come up with an executive 7-inch stretched XTS model. That's what we call the XTS-L. Let's take a closer look at the outside of this wonderful vehicle. All Cadillacs come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and the 4-year, 50,000-mile premium care maintenance plan. With the XTS-L model, you'll also receive a 3-year, 150,000-mile professional vehicle protection plan. On the inside of the XTS-L, you will see that Cadillac spared no expense when it comes to fit, finish, and materials they used to complement their luxury vehicle. The XTS-L was designed for the rear passengers. If you're in the market for a BMW 7 Series long body, an Audi A8 long body, or the Lexus LS460 long body, I'd recommend for you to check out the XTS-L. It gives you all the luxury, all the room, but it saves tens of thousands of dollars. I wanted to thank you for watching our video today about the brand new Cadillac XTS-L. Please stop down at Patrick Cadillac in Schaumburg, Illinois and test drive one today.